Hey guys, it is October 27th, 2010 at 6:47 p.m. I am being very bored right now, and I'm just gonna do another Would You Rather thing since I'm being bored. What you kind of hear in like the background is like the weather right there. See. Um. So yeah, let's just do this thing. All right, here we go. Here's a good one. Would you rather cry hot tar or sneeze with the force of a double barrel shotgun? Wow. Okay, well, the double barrel shotgun would be good, but crying hot tar is would be painful probably. So, I'm gonna guess double barrel shotgun because if someone like tries to rob you or something, you can just sneeze at them and they would go flying in the air. That's what I would pick. What would you guys pick? Leave a comment. Alright, bye.